What's up again, gang? Alright, I'm out here. I got this pancake compressor that I went and picked up. Alright, it has 110 max PSI, does inflation, airbrush, brad nailing, and stapling. But this bad boy is perfect for me using to blow down interiors, right? Perfect for that, right? Blowing out the interiors and blowing water off the car and all that kind of stuff. Alright? Now this product, it came with the attachments. Y'all see those little attachments right there? Y'all see that? Came with for the tire pressure. It came with one for pumping up balls and stuff. And I guess these other two, the blue one and the red one, are for blowing out crevices and stuff. But like I said, man, that looked kind of rinky-dink to me, so I went out and I got this kit right here by Campbell Hausfeld, 7-piece blowgun kit. You got the ball inflators. Got an extension over here. You got your handle that you connect to your hose. Then you got your 2 sprayers, right? Actually 3. Well, that's an adapter. But you got 2 sprayers for your air, right? Which is awesome, man. You got stuff on the back to tell you how to use this stuff. Alright, but y'all know about this stuff, man. But this is that pancake air compressor that I picked up. Alright. Says here it's an oilless compressor, 110 max PSI, 0.3 running horsepower, 120 volt, and 0.51, which is 40 PSI, 0.39, which is 90 PSI. Alright, you know, like I said, man, I'm not into all them technical things and stuff, but this thing came with this little hose right here, right? Y'all see that? I think it's a 25-foot hose. I'm gonna say that. I think that's what that is. Alright. But I went out and got me this one. Right? That's a 50-footer. I got a 50-footer right there. Right? To go with these accessories. I had to upgrade a little bit. Right? Yeah, that's a 50-footer right there. That's the same company, right? Same company. Everything the same company, people. Look at that. The compressor, the add-ons, all come from the same company. All right. But anyway, guys, I got this air compressor out here. Gonna help me out in my little detail business. King of Shine, I'm out.